Here we have a sample Works Cited page. Before we look at the specific citations, let's discuss the general formatting. If you are using any outside information within a report, you must include a Works Cited page at the end of the document. The citations should begin on a new page. In other words, don't begin the citations on the same page as the conclusion of your paper. The page should start with the words Works Cited. After the words Works Cited, we will have a list of sources that are used within the paper. If you use information from a source within your paper, whether it is a direct quote, a paraphrase, or merely a specific idea, you must, I repeat, you must have a citation for that source within your Works Cited page. Also, your Works Cited page should only contain sources that have been used within your paper. In other words, if you did not use a source within the paper, that source should not be cited within the Works Cited page. Please note that everything on the Works Cited page is double-spaced. Each source on the page is differentiated by the use of hanging indents. As you can see, the first line of each citation is left-aligned, while the subsequent lines of each citation are indented. Please note that the sources are arranged in alphabetical order by the first word of the citation, whether that word is the author's last name or the title of a text.